Good evening, everyone. This is Lohit Rishi with you from D Concepts, experts of steel, UPVC, and aluminum doors and windows. दरवाजे जो दया बिना तोड़ पाए. So I hope you and your loved ones are safe and healthy and taking all day-to-day precautions. Be safe, be healthy, and try and help your near and dear ones in your capacity. So I have a great pleasure in announcing that our Tajurba app is now live and available for download from Google Play Stores and Apple iStores. So please go ahead and download Tajurba app and enjoy the connected world of Tajurba Business Network, where you can grow yourself and your business multifolds. With Tajurba app, you are connected with people across Tajurba family pan India. So let us begin with a brief demo of app features and menus for your better understanding when you are a first time user. So if you are an Android user just like me, you just need to go to Play Store, and if you are an iOS user, you can go to Apple iStore, click on search Tajurba over there, and then you'll be seeing the search options over here. The first app will be Tajurba app from BizBrawly. Thank you, Arun sir, for creating this wonderful app for us, from Arun Mishra sir from BizBrawly. So now install the app if you have not installed. Since mine is installed, I'll just click on open right forward. You'll be welcomed with a login screen. So now in this login screen, you have two options. One is login and one is register. Please make sure if you are an existing user, all the existing members of Tajurba family needs to go on login. All your existing data is still here. Now if you're a first time user, you need to click on register. You need to fill in the small form wherein you have to fill in your email ID, phone number, name, password, and you will receive one OTP on your email ID. That OTP you have to enter. Once you fill this form, you'll see the OTP screen. You have to enter that OTP over there, and then you're good to go. Since mine is already registered, so I'll just quickly log in into my account and show you how the welcome screen or the app looks like. There you go. That's the first page that you'll see. That's the home screen right over here. On the home screen, you'll be seeing this banner right over here. You'll be getting all the latest updates, upcoming meetings, upcoming seminars, upcoming lectures of Suresh sir and Uma ma'am. Whatever meets we've been planned, it will be showcased over here. That's the category. Next is your category that you have. Since mine is a gold member, it will showcase over here. Once I click on the stamp, you will see the members benefits. What are the benefits that you're getting in under that category? After that, that's the total amount of business that has been done across the Tajurba. This figure needs to be updated. This has crossed more than 590 crores if I'm not wrong. So these are the activities that you will be doing on day-to-day basis. Like you'll be doing BDMs, you'll be doing business exchange, you'll be doing referrals as well. So you can straightforward punch your activities right from here. Just click on the BDM. You'll see this page over here. Click on plus icon. You can enter your BDM. I'll do a quick entry with Mukesh Pandey sir. Just select my chapter, Phoenix over here. I did the BDM today, just for reference. I did at 3 o'clock. Then, awesome loan provider. We all know that. He's an awesome person as well. Add. BDM added successfully. Now we'll go back. Once you're coming back again to the BDM section, you will see the BDM is already added over there. Now the same thing you have to do with business as well. Now just make sure in terms of business, the business that you have received, you have to enter that, not the business that you have given to someone. So in this case, if I have received a business from Pooja ma'am, and that's my chapter over here, business amount, Pooja ma'am gave me a referral and I received a business of supposedly 15 lakhs. There you go. Thank you note, and for steel doors. There you go. Business punched. It's done. Whenever I'm coming back over here, refresh the page. Home section. Business. Boom. The business punched. You just need to enter the business that you have received, not the business that you have given. Referral you give, business you receive. There you go. That's the referral I want to give. If I want to give a referral to of XYZ to, so XYZ at gmail.com. Phone number is 9999. Description: business automation. Let's give a referral to Mr. Shalendra sir, our very own Mr. Shalendra Chaurasia ji. It's okay, we'll pass into Akshay Kapoor at the moment. For next chapter, that's my chapter. Added. The referral has been added. That's how you're going to go about it. Now, the very important and the super function of this new Tajurba app is the lead section. Now, whatever requirements we were posting earlier, we were using WhatsApp for that. We do not need to do that anymore. This is a new lead section that has been created for all our members in the app. Over here, what you need to do is, these are the leads that are being posted by all the other members. Since you can see all the tested ones only, because the team has been testing the app. So supposedly I have a requirement of let's say curtains. So description: need curtains for my residence. Attachment: if I want to showcase the section where I want to put curtains, I can put attachment as well. You can use your gallery option or latest camera option. And other than that, then you need to select the category. Now in category, we can go into curtains would fall under home decor. So there are n number of categories that you can choose from. It is very important to choose the right category, because just in case if you choose the wrong category, the person who is in that category and the lead might not reach to the same person, to the right person actually, I would say, and you might not get good results. So if you select the right category, then it will reach to the right person, or the right vendor will be supplied to you. Just in case if you're talking about curtains, that's from home furnishing. So we'll submit the request. Now we have Neeraj Mangla from Walls and Galleries with us in the category of home furnishing. Neeraj Mangla will receive notification for this particular need, that I, Lohit Rishi, has a requirement of curtains, and so is my requirement. So I'll put in the description. If I put an image as well, that as well will be added to that requirement, and that will be showcased in the lead section. So let's wait for the app to send the requirement. So you can use this lead section to generate more and more references for you, in the sense like any person who has a requirement across all the Tajurba family is going to put their requirements and leads and needs in this lead section. And if you are the supplier of that particular services, that lead will be directly pinged in your Dropbox, in your inbox, sorry. So now the lead has been submitted, and here you can see I posted a lead for curtain requirements for my residence. Now this lead will be pushed across the main lead section and will be visible to all the people in the same category of home furnishing. Now if you are in the person in the category of home furnishing, you would receive this lead as a notification in your app, and you can go through it and fulfill the requirement of Lohit Rishi in this case. Let's put one more need of myself. So all the leads generated will be over here, and whatever need that you are posting will be shown over here in my needs section, my needs. So now once your requirement is fulfilled, it is done, you can mark that as closed requirement. So that will be closed, requirement closed. No other person will be able to see that requirement from henceforth, and nobody will call you for that requirement. Let's just take a quick look on one more requirement. Like let's say I need to do some gifting. So in that case, gifting requirements for my suppliers. Any attachment? No. Category, we can go for business support. Yeah, there you go, corporate gifting, and submit. So whosoever we have the member in the category of corporate gifting, in our case we've got Rupali Juneja from XTC Exports in our gifting category. We can push this lead. This lead will be directly shown in her inbox as the leads that she can follow up and close the section. So this is a very good and the latest feature that has been added to our Tajurba app, and it is going to benefit all of us. So let's start using it. Then that's again the members section as usual, wherein you will see the list of all the members that are in Tajurba family. Please note that you can see the members from your category, that is if you're in gold member, then from gold and below. If you're platinum member, so platinum and below. If you're silver member, then silver and below. If you're bronze member, then you can only see the bronze members list in this case. And you can sort members from this tab as well. Like all the bronze members can be sorted, all the gold members can be sorted from this. Like if you want to search only a gold member, you don't want any information regarding a bronze or silver member, that is also possible. Now over here, that's your TBN section. This is the activities that has been happening in your own chapter. So in the Phoenix chapter, this is the upcoming meeting that is there. Next meeting is there. And in that case, you can see all the referrals that you passed, BDMs that you've done, visitors that you've invited. You can add your visitor from here. And the business that you have given or received, that is over here. Previous data also you can see over here. Now if you go into the Phoenix chapter, now if you see this blue tab over here that says activities, now over here if you click on visitors, you can see the list of all the visitors that have visited in your chapter. So you have all the data at your fingertips. That is what this app is empowering you with. Whatever data you need regarding visitors, regarding BDMs done in your chapter, regarding the business, not just your BDMs, any BDM happening, any business happening in your chapter, any referrals passed in your chapter, everything that you will be able to see over here itself. Pawan sir passed a referral to Shalendra Chaurasia, or Shalendra Chaurasia passed a referral to Pawan sir. Any and every data will be available right on your fingertips, and I would say in your palm. So you can then, that's all your members over here of the chapter, list of all your members of the chapter. Now this is the profile section, beautifully designed. Now in this case, there are many features you just need to go through and access all. I'll just quickly go through all the ones. There's a quick scroll over here. See, cluster, affiliate summary, BDMs that you've done, business, referrals, visitors. Now almost from any screen you can access your major data, that is of BDM, business, referral, visitors, attendance. You can see how much you have attended. Now this is the section about me. About me, you can put all your data about yourself, about your business. Right from here, you need to select your name, company name, and the basic bio, my ask and my give. Do not forget to put your ask and gives. Now this beautiful section has been added by Mr. Arun Mishra, wherein you can add in your small catalog of products that you deal in and the services that you deal in. So if a member is going through your profile, sometimes a person is not able to understand what exactly do you deal in. So with this small nifty feature, you can add a small catalog of yours, wherein you can add your products, your services, and a small cost as well for that if you wish to add to that. And the members can see like this right over here. There you go. Steel doors, a category I've made. I've got a steel door in wooden finish. That's the price. That's the details of a small detail of that I've made. Now over here, you can even see the reviews that you've got. Now whatever services that you're providing in and outside Tajurba chapter, members who have received the services, who have received your services, are able to give reviews on that. So members, go ahead, give the best of your services and collect as many reviews as possible. That is going to build your reputation and credibility in the network. Now that's the start section and the home region. There you go. That's how you can see how the profile looks to the third party. Then from here, how many members you're following, how many followers you've got, and you can share the profile. your profile as well and Tajurba app with somebody outside this. Now in settings section you can see all about Tajurba, terms and conditions, privacy policies. You can share Tajurba app with all anybody and everybody, because we've got a category of bronze category wherein there is no membership charge and people can join Tajurba and grow themselves. So that's it about the app. Hope you will enjoy using the app. Let's grow together. For any queries and questions, please feel free to contact me or Shaninder sir. So thank you so much, and with the thanking note, I would like to thank Mr. Suresh Manchamani and Mrs. Uma Manchamani for creating this wonderful platform of Tajurba Business Network where we can lead, learn and connect. Thank you so much. Thank you.